Welcome to First Mold. We are a China-based global rapid prototyping, tooling, and manufacturing workshop. We believe in delivering excellence to our customers through quality services. Our experts are always at your disposal to guide you through the best prototyping options that suits your project specifications, budget, and end use of the final product. Without further ado, let's get right on our topic. This video provides you with a professional guide to CNC machining process. CNC machining is a phenomenal technology. It meets ever-changing demands of different manufacturing sectors. Precision technology evolved over the years and has become the backbone of numerous industries. Before we move on, let's first see what is a CNC machine. A CNC machine is a technologically advanced and high-precision part fabrication instrument. Numerical control machine harnesses computers to render an automated control of different machining tools. A raw workpiece is mounted on the machine and is being converted into a customized part. Now we have a look at different types of CNC machines. Milling machines and turning machines are two of the most widely used machines in the parts processing field. Basically, they can precisely realize most of the machining operations. There are also other machines used for auxiliary processes in the CNC machining industry, such as EDM, wire EDM, plasma cutter, water jet cutter, etc. Now we are going to explain what actually CNC machining is. CNC machining stands for Computer Numerical Control Machining. It is a computer-controlled subtractive manufacturing process. It makes the use of pre-programmed software and code to transform a workpiece into a custom-designed product. These coded instructions direct and control the movement of different equipment such as mills, lathes, grinders, etc. Next we have CNC Machining Workflow. Let's dive in and see what we need to know about CNC machining process. The first step we have is CAD design creation. CAD is basically a software that facilitates designers to create parts digitally with specific dimensions and features. It helps in the development, customization, and optimization of the design. Secondly, we have CAM code generation. Once the design is finalized, next comes writing the code instructions. These programming instructions actually decide the tool path that directs machine and tools to imitate to manufacture parts. CAM is the software transforming CAD into CAM code. Third step is machine setup. Before we start, make sure that machine is equipped with necessary tools, workpiece is mounted, and lubrication, safety measures etc. are checked for smooth working of the process. Next we have machining operation. After proper machine setup, we finally become ready to performing the machining action. Once all the instructions are successfully executed, then our process completes, and we get our final product. Last step in CNC machining workflow is surface finishing. Finishing provides a great way to remove unwanted marks on the part's surface and ameliorate its beauty, aesthetics. It also provides protection against rust, corrosion, and wear and renders additional strength. Now, we'll discuss CNC machining materials options. One of the biggest advantages of CNC machining is that it offers a huge range of materials to choose from as per your project's needs. Let's discover what options we have at our disposal, and they are metals, plastics, wood, foam. Next we'll have a look at industrial applications of CNC machining. Almost every sector in the world takes advantages of CNC machining in one or the other way. Particularly large-scale manufacturers embrace precision technology. Few important ones include automotive industry, medical industry, military and defense industry, robotics and automation, oil and gas industry, aerospace industry, electronics industry. In the end we'll throw some light on the advantages of CNC machining. Here is the compilation of some of the main advantages of CNC machining. High precision, productivity, cost effectiveness, consistency, human safety. Just as we have been manufacturing superior quality products for our clients around the globe, we extend our arm of excellence to you. Collaborate with us, and take advantage of our world-class prototyping services in your product development journey, and be our partner in excellence.